Porsche revealed the new Cayenne with comprehensive changes to the powertrain chassis design and equipment. This has further extended not only on-road and off-road performance but also luxurious everyday comfort. The new Cayenne now has particularly expressive appearance, a new front end combined with more strongly arched wings, a new bonnet and technically appealing headlights emphasizes the vehicle's width. Three-dimensionally designed taillights make it easily recognizable on the road. Functions that the driver uses frequently are located directly on or immediately next to the steering wheel. The automatic transmission selector lever in the new Cayenne is now on the dashboard. This makes room on the new central console for storage compartments and large air conditioning controller in an elegant black panel design. In Europe, the new Cayenne comes with 3 different engine variants. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the new Porsche Cayenne?